bitches, it's a gift from God. I think you broke hoes need to get a job. Now I'm a boss, I write my own name on the checks. Pussy so good, I said my own name during sex. I might smack a bitch cause I felt.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup look using all first impressions. I will not be doing my brows on camera, so just an FYI. If you guys are interested in seeing this video, you're in the right place, and just keep on watching. Alright, so I'm just gonna tell you what I like first. First things first, I like this foundation and this concealer together. This is the CoverGirl Vitalist Elixir and the Flower Beauty concealer. I don't like it by itself, but together they're magic, so I recommend these two products. I also like the Burt's Bees blush in Bare Peach. As you guys, it's like a really nice, you know, flick of the cheek. You know, I like this color, so I recommend that. I also tried out the Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder, and I absolutely love this. As you guys see, my under eyes look bomb, so I recommend this. I also tried the Maybelline sponge, and I love this. It's bouncy. I was nervous to try it because it was a little hard, but it works perfectly fine. Also, I tried the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder, and honestly, it's good. It works great for setting the face. I'm gonna get a lighter shade just so I can use it for under the eye, but I recommend this one. I also recommend the Flower Beauty Highlighting Palette. As you can see, it's the one on my face, and it is beautiful. I also loved the Rimmel Bronzer and the Wet n Wild Contouring Palette. This is in Dulce de Leche. This is the perfect contouring shade for me. So I recommend these two products. On my brows, I used my NYX Tame and Frame, which obviously you guys know I recommend this because I love it. And then for primers, I used the new Maybelline Prime Blur and Pore Minimize and the Flower Beauty. I'm gonna have to keep trying this one out because I didn't really notice any change with it, so I'm gonna keep trying this one out, but I did love what this did to my pores. I love this. And then to carve out my brows, I used the NYX Full Coverage Concealer in the shade Light. So I recommend this for brows because it's a little thick, so I wouldn't recommend using it under your eyes. And I also recommend the e.l.f. mascara. However, it's a little, it's drying out pretty quickly, and I haven't had it that long, but other than that, you know, for $3 or whatever I paid for it, it's not bad. As for the things I did not like, this palette, I tried so hard to love it, and honestly I got a pretty nice eye look with it, but it wasn't easy. I had to build it and build it and build it and build it, and as you guys can see by the pans, I did have to dig quite a bit. So for $10 or whatever this is, I mean, the outlook is good, but I don't recommend this palette, and I probably will never use it again. Also, I do not recommend the Revlon Color Stay lip liner and the, what is this? Rimmel London Stay Matte. This has like no pigment, which is why I have a different lipstick on my lips, which is the, where'd it go? It's the Maybelline and Gone something like that. But I don't like this. It's hard. I had to literally draw on my face like I was trying to color a picture. Don't recommend these. The LA Girl Glide Gel Liner in Champagne. I don't recommend this one. I will stick to the black one because this, it flakes off and it's just not cute, so I don't like that. And then the LA Girl Pro Setting Spray. I don't really like the smell of this, but I mean, it set my stuff in fit. Set my, oh my god, I can't talk. It set my face in place, so I can't, you know, complain. Also, I have done a LA Girl full brand tutorial makeup tutorial. I will leave that in the cards and listed below, so you guys should check that out. But this, I won't reach for this again. Alright, so this is the look that I came up with. I'm not mad at it. It's a little too pinky for me, but that's okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and then like always, I love you guys.